Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video, we will understand how to compare two strings. For that, let's open code block. Here, we will understand strcmp, which is a built-in library function, and it is declared in string.h header file. This function takes two strings as an argument and start comparing those two strings content by content. Now here, if the first character in both strings are equal, then this function will check the second character. If this is also equal, then it will check the third one, and so on the process goes. This process will be continued unless and until a character in either string is null or the characters are unequal. So here we will start by writing an empty file. First write down #include stdio.h and #include string.h. These two header files are must here, string.h, as we are using a built-in function of starting with the integer main function. And as I said, we are going to compare two strings, so we have to declare two strings first. So I'll declare character first, that is my first string, as ABC. I would write content like this, and I would again declare one more string, character second. I'll give name as a second, and I'll write down AB. So here we have written two strings. Now strcmp function will give you some written value, and based on that written value we can write down our result, whether the strings are equal or whether the strings are unequal after comparing that. So we'll write down written written value or integer written, which will be the result of strcmp function. What we are going to compare the two strings, that is strcmp first and second. Now this program or this function will execute in a way that it will compare the character by character content of first string and second string. Let's put semicolon, and depends on that we could write our result. If written value equals to 0, if it is written value is equals to 0, that means the comparison of character is equal to 0. So it's no doubt printf the strings are equal, and then we would put a semicolon, else we would write the strings are unequal. So here we have written two printf statements, which are the resulting statement based on written value provided by the function strcmp. Strings are unequal. Now in this case we would expect this statement strings are equal, as I have written the same content of both strings. So, and one more written 0 here. After writing this program, we will save it. You can save your file by the name of your choice. I'll go for abc.c, and after saving this we would build this for the error. This is done. First and as build finished with 0 errors. Let's run. So here you can see strings are equal. Now I'll change the content of string. Let's make the second string's content as ABC. Let's build and run again. You can see the strings are unequal. So based on the written value which is given by the comparison of two strings by using a function strcmp, we can find out whether the both strings are equal or both strings are unequal. I hope you understood today's strcmp string comparison function. Thank you.